First of all, I think it is time to put Washington back on the side of the family farmer. Here in Wisconsin, 32,000 family farms have gone out of existence in the last 12 years. Farm income over that period has gone up just 2% compared to 35% for all other wage earners. There are two problems with which we must deal. First, we must give the farmer the right to bargain collectively for the price he gets in the marketplace. Secondly, we must stop the incursion of corporate agribusiness into the concentrated ownership of farmland and farm operations. 70% of our farm production at the present time comes off 17% of our farms.